Next, you have one more method, the percentage method, but we are not going to use the traditional method. We are going to use the different concept. See here, for example, you take the values like this, 14 divided by 30, this is one number. Next, you may take one more number, the number is like this, 24 divided by 36. 24 divided by 36. Both the numerators are increased and the denominators are increased. But if you see here, 14 2s are 28, means less than twice. 30 2s are 60. This is also less than twice. This is also less than twice. Then how to simplify? So very simple, you reduce the given fractions. You reduce the given fractions. So the given fractions are 14 by 30. So if you reduce this one, how much you are going to get? 7 by 15. You are going to get 7 by 15. Next, see 14 by 30. If you simplify, you are going to get 7 by 15. Next, 24 by 36. So you simplify this one. 6 4s, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. 2 by 3 means 66.66 percentage. But do we know the value of 7 by 15? No. So how to calculate 7 by 15? So you observe properly, 7 by 14, 7 by 14, 7 ones are 7 twos are means 50%. So 7 by 14 is 50%, but 7 by 15 obviously less than 50%. Obviously less than 50%. Therefore, 2 by 3, that is 24 by 36 is the maximum one. 24 by 36 is the maximum one. Sometimes it will be difficult to calculate the percentage also. Then what we have to do? For example, you may get the fraction like this, 17 by 19, 17 by 19, next 7 by 8. 7 by 8. Okay, so 17 by 19, next 7 by 8. So two fractions you have. Two fractions you have. So among these two, which is the highest one you have to calculate? So very simple guys, one more method. The method is cross multiplication method. You cross multiply, so you are going to get 17 into 8, here 19 into 7. So among these two you calculate. Okay, so 17 into 8, 7 8s are 56, 5 carry over, 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 5, 13. Next, 19 7s are, 7 9s are 63, 6 carry over, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 6, 13. See, 133, 136. So which is the highest one? Whether 136 or 133? 136 is the highest one. So 136 represents which fraction? 17 by 19. So 17 by 19 is the greater one among 7 by 8. So very simple, you cross multiply and 17 into 8, below 17 by 19 only you have to write. Okay, 7 by 8, so 19 into 7 after cross multiplication, before 7, below 7 by 8 only you have to mention that one also. So after multiplying you are going to get 136 and 133. So 136 is the bigger one. So 17 by 19 is the bigger one. Consider the above example what we have taken. 33 by 45, 75 by 89, 39 by 54, 23 by 69. So you consider the same example now. Which is the greater among these fractions we have to identify. See here, go through the fractions. The last two fractions you may take, the numerator is decreased and the denominator is increased. The numerator is decreased and the denominator is increased. If this is the case, what I had told, the resultant fraction value will be less. Okay, therefore 23 by 69 is less. So this cannot be the answer. This cannot be the highest one. Okay, now we have to identify between these three. 33 by 45, next 75 by 89, next 39 by 54. See here, 33 into 2, 33 into 2, that is 66, but we have 75, means what? The numerator is increased more than twice. Here 45 2s are 90. 45 2s are 90, but it is increased less than twice. The first one, it is increased more than twice. Second case, in the denominator case, it is increased less than twice. Means what? The resultant fraction, that is 75 by 89, is more than 33 by 45. Why? Already we had explained. The numerator increasing rate is more than the denominator increasing rate. Therefore, 33 by 45 cannot be the answer. Now you have an option, that is 39 by 54. This is one fraction. Next, 75 by 89. This is one more fraction. Now again you go with these two. 39 2s are 78. So into 2, very near to 75. Into 2 if you do, you are going to get very near to 75. But see here, 54 into 2. 54 into 2, you should get 108, but how much you are getting? You are getting only 89. Okay, you are getting only 89. But here it is almost equal to 75. Therefore, the numerator increasing rate is more than the denominator increasing rate. Okay, and one more thing, one more concept is there, that is, see here, 15 by 18, this is one fraction. Next, 18 by 21, this is one more fraction. See here, it is also increased, it is also increased. Both are less than twice. So how much it is increased? 3, means 3 by 15, that is 3 ones are 3 5s are. So the numerator is increased by 20%. The numerator is increased by 20%. How about the denominator? How about the denominator? In the denominator also it is increased by 3. So 3 divided by 18. So 3 ones are 3 6 are. 1 by 6, 16.66%. So the numerator is increased by 20% and the denominator is increased by 16.66%, means the numerator increasing rate is more than the denominator is increasing rate. Therefore, here 18 by 21 is the greater one. 18 by 21 is the greater one. And in this fraction, the numerator increasing rate is more than denominator increasing rate. Therefore, this is the maximum one. This is the maximum one. So you have so many concepts to analyze which is greatest and which is lowest. Please don't go for the traditional method into 100, where you have to do so many calculations and it takes too much time. Okay, so let's go to the problems. Problem number 1.